Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life, and today we'll be discussing a hot topic that's on the minds of many potential home buyers and sellers, the housing market in 2024. But I'm not going to tell you all the reasons you should buy a new home in 2024. Instead, in this video, we'll look at the key reasons why buying a home this year may not be as straightforward as it seems. So stay tuned to find out the cons of entering the real estate market in 2024. And make sure you stay till the end. I got a bonus I'm going to provide you. Now, before we get started, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and comment, please. This video is the result of one of our followers' questions. I want to put out info that you want, so keep those suggestions coming. Now, let's kick things off by taking a look at the current state of the housing market. Low inventory levels are giving sellers the upper hand, making it challenging for buyers to find their dream homes. Higher, not high, mortgage rates and steep home prices are also dissuading potential buyers from entering the market. Now, at the time of this video being filmed, the average 30-year mortgage rate is still higher than we got used to the last 5+ years. However, we're much lower than its recent peaks, but this does remain a significant factor affecting affordability. Also, further complicating things, the median sales price for an existing home in the U.S. was $387,600 as of November 2023, marking the 5th consecutive month of year-over-year price increases. Hey, before we go any further, if you'd like to discuss your own unique situation, feel free to reach out to me at the contact info on the screen now. I'm licensed in almost every state, and if I can't help you, I have an extensive network of professionals across the country that will give you the same level of service that my team will. Now, experts predict that the housing market in 2024 will be shaped by home prices, mortgage rates, and inventory levels. Duh. With prices historically high and inventory tight, both sellers and buyers are feeling nervous about the current state of the affairs. Not to mention, 2024 is an election year, so everybody's on edge wondering what impact that may have, if any at all. Looking ahead, there are predictions that mortgage rates might continue to dip, potentially spurring market activity. However, concerns persist about the new norm of higher rates, which could continue to impact buyers. Some economists suggest that housing sales might increase, but not dramatically, as rates are expected to remain above 6% and into the high fives throughout 2024. However, contradicting that is a current early spring market, as mortgage applications are currently up and sales are climbing a little bit earlier than normal. Now, to the challenge of low housing inventory. With only a 3.5-month supply nationally, the market is considered a seller's market still. There's hope for some increase in housing inventory in 2024, and that's driven by more new home construction and existing homeowners being willing to sell as rates begin back down. However, this tight inventory continues to favor sellers, making it challenging for buyers. Without a substantial increase in inventory, the seller's market is expected to persist all the way through 2024. The third challenge is home prices. In spite of the historic highs in home prices and somewhat sluggish market in 2023, experts don't anticipate a significant drop in 2024. A modest rise of 3 to 4% in appreciation is what's predicted, which, by the way, 4% appreciation is pretty darn healthy. Think of the impact of appreciation like this. You can put 5% down on a $300,000 home. That's $15,000. If you get 4% appreciation the first year, you've recouped $12,000 of that $15,000 investment. Year 2, you go into the positive by $9,000. Call your stockbroker. Tell him you want $300,000 worth of Apple stock and you want the yields on the entire $300K, but you only want to invest $15,000. Let me know what he says. All right, so wrapping things up, the combination of high mortgage rates, steep home prices, and low inventory levels present challenges for both buyers and sellers in the 2024 housing market, which makes it crucial to stay informed and consider seeking guidance from experienced local real estate professionals before making any decisions. All right, here's the bonus I promised you. It's only as bad as we make it. If you're currently renting and you need to buy, you're relocating for whatever reason, you're divorced and needing a new home, or you're adding kids to the mix and you need more space, buying a home is still a sound investment that will almost always pay you back in multiples. It's all about staying within a budget, seeking wise counsel, and understanding the risk. If you can put those three things together, you're golden. And guess what? I can help you with that. Click the link in the description for our home buyer planning kit. We've curated a number of resources that will keep you on the right path to owning a home in 2024 and beyond. Also, go to our Home Buyer Roadmap playlist on our channel and watch our series of videos that walks you through every step of the home buying process. Hey, thanks so much for sticking with me. This is it for today's video on the cons of buying a home in 2024. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on real estate trends. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life.